Hello everyone, myself Ashok, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to see about evolution of cloud computing. So first let's see about hardware evolution. In hardware evolution, there are 4 generations of computers. First generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. First generation computers are vacuum tube computers. Second generation computers are transistorized computers. Third generation computers are integrated circuit computers. Fourth generation computers are microprocessor computers. Second thing is internet software evolution. First, in the beginning, for communication they used standard communication protocol. After that they used MMX. After that ARPANET means computers connected on network. Then IMP will be used. IMP at each site to act as a interface to ARPANET. Each host to IMP used interface called host IMP protocol. Network control program used at ARPANET. So now you can see the architecture of IMP. Overview of IMP architecture. Host will be there, then local system will be there, then IMP protocol will be there. The host and the local system will be connected with the IMP subnet. Next thing is establish a common protocol for internet. NCP plus host to host protocol plus internet connection protocol. The combination of NCP, host to host, then internet connection protocol. So these combination used in internet. After that, file transfer protocol, simple mail transfer protocol on NCP will be used. In year of 1983, the TCP/IP was introduced. IP address was introduced. After that, IP version 4, IP version 2, then IP version 3, then IP version 4. So 4 versions of IP addresses launched. Then IP version 6 launched after the year of 1983. The next generation of internet protocol is IP version 6. So the purpose of IP version 6 is to increase available address space. The next thing is finding a common method to communicate using the internet protocol. So then HyperText system was introduced. So in that system, Eaglebet technology was used. So online system means mouse plus graphical user interface plus HyperText system. Later, Internet and World Wide Web launched. So Apple's HyperCard also launched. So that is the first HyperText editing system. The next thing is building a common interface to the internet. In 1990s, Berners-Lee was introduced web browser as integrated editor that could create hypertext documents. Web server means file transfer protocol with there are 3 servers used in cloud computing: web server, file transfer protocol, telnet server. Windows on Unix computer system was used in the year of 1993. Mosaic, the first popular browser, so which supports graphics, sounds, and video clips. That browser is Mosaic. After that, Netscape Navigator, Microsoft Internet Explorer, then Netscape named as Mozilla in the year of 2002. After that, in 2004, Mozilla Firefox was launched. Now you can see the first web browser which is supported for graphics and videos. That was created by Tim Berners-Lee. Next thing is the appearance of cloud formation from one computer to many. Clustered computers simulates the supercomputer power. Clustering is configuring computers using special protocol, tag others, and balanced workload, dividing up units of works and spread across multiple processors. Input and output through a magnetic disk for quick and efficient access of data. In 1990s, Ian Foster and Carl Kessman grid computing as utility. Storage management, migration of data, and security provisioning are the key in cloud computing. After that, Globus toolkit was developed. Global toolkit means it's an open source software toolkit building grid systems and applications. Globus toolkit allows people to share computing power, databases, instruments, and other online tools securely across corporate institutions and geographical boundaries without sacrificing local autonomy. Cloud means data center. In cloud, data center act like grid computing. So Amazon S3 is the example for storage services, so that stores and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere on the web. And the third thing is server virtualization. So server virtualization means run multiple independent virtual operating systems on a single physical computer. So platform virtualization means creation and management of virtual machines. Control program gives simulated environment for multiple hosts. Limitation is based on host machine. The advantage of server virtualization is reduce the hardware acquisition and maintenance cost. Parallel processing, simultaneous execution of a program instruction across multiple processors is called parallel processing. It reduces the execution time. Normal time takes 2x times, but it reduces the execution time. Multi-programming, each program executed for short time on RR basis. RR means round robin, so time sharing system. So it shares the time. Processors are put into circular queue. CPU scheduler will take and execute. New processors added at the end of queue. So context switch and properly handle deadlock. And the second thing is in virtualization, vector processing. Vector processing means multi-processing or multitasking manner. Enhanced master-slave model. Load will be balanced. Master will provide the task to the slaves. So here the data is formatted data. So vector processing is good. Vector processor is used in vector processing. Third thing is symmetric multiprocessor systems. addressed the problems of master-slave model, achieved sequential consistency, performance increased to 10 to 20%. Data propagation time increases when more processors added. And the last thing is massively parallel processor systems. Computer system which may independent arithmetic or entire microprocessor which runs in parallel. All the processing elements are interconnected to act as one very large computer with interconnected to act as single unit. So useful in data mining, scientific environments, gaming, etc. So parallel data query used in business. Thank you.